Mesdames, yo eme sa ou baz. Yo eme lo a pose yo bel ti kesyon pou fè ou pali pou ou pa senti yo raz le ap pala avou. Sa le dè pil ou baz. Pou fè yon semen ap ekran ou fòm epi senti le raz le ap ekran avou. Ben pou solusyon pou ou lover boy. Mbote 5 bel kesyon pou pose ou fi wap pose. Wap evite fè senti le raz le ap ekran avou. Avan m kontinye, like video a kounya. Map Tony. Epi sou fèk tobe sou video sa. Bienvenue nan kominote lover boy la. Chaîne sa dédié seulement ak vidéo qui gen rapport ak séduction, relation femme ak garçon. Sou intéressé ak vidéo sa yo, abonnez pour pas rater rien sur nouveau vidéo m'val pote yo.
I think that I am moving on cause I do feel less broken. I needed a sign, this is a sign that I'm healing. I'm finally healing from you. I'm finally healing from you. I'm finally healing. I'm finally healing from you. I'm finally healing. I'm finally healing from you. I know I make mistakes, don't mean to come off hardy. I'm just an imperfect person in this imperfect world. But I'm learning my way under this maze that I'm running through. Now when I think of you, I'm fine. See a picture of you, you would eat me alive. And now when I think of you, I'm fine. And all of the wounds that were opened by you are now closing. I finally know how to live without hurting myself. I think that I am moving on 'cause